What are you guys doing?
Giving baby Evan a hug and good morning. I love you, baby Evan. What happened to baby Evan? I'll take a picture right here. Look what happened to baby Evan.
I think Caleb spilled some tomato on him.
I take a picture. Look, I take a picture.
Olivia's saying good morning to baby Evan.
Towel. Mommy, please take more baby Evan. Let me take some pictures. Take some pictures.
Did you say good morning to baby Evan? Or no?
Yeah. Good morning, baby Evan. Baby Evan gave me a kiss too. He loves it.
He gave you a kiss?
Yeah, he gave me a kiss. Good morning. He loves us too. Can I take one picture? Can I take one?
Yeah, say hi, baby Evan. See you later.
Hi, baby Evan. Bye. Mommy, see you later. See baby Evan.
Pretty soon. A
Yay!
couple more. Okay.
But can I take one picture?
You want to take a picture? Okay. Wait, Show the picture that we have baby Evan.
I just love